All right, time to get this thing out of here. Holy moly. You want to talk about a loaded down trailer. My gosh. What a mess. Holy cow. I don't know who puts these back in there like that. Oh wait, it was me. What do y'all need? Oh yeah, I can't help you there. Perfect shot. Boom, perfect shot. Just took the master to look for it, huh, Josue?
Well, I know where things are. Like when if it's a mess and I create it, I know where things are. But if someone else come and make it a mess, I don't know where the heck
there's no shot, huh?
No.
I gotcha. See if this one can go as good as the last one. Oh, beautiful. Should have played quarterback. Ain't got enough. Ain't got enough. I'm gonna slip on a cone. Do do do. Do 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 do. All right, all this loose crap. This is from a different house right here. Huh. How in the world did that make it down here? Locked. Look at that. All by myself.
You're good, man.
No thanks to my partner in crime here.
You do better than by yourself than me.
Yeah, I know it. One of these days I'm gonna get you driving this thing. I need to buy another, honest.
You need to buy another one?
Yeah, a bigger one. Time to dump this load. What? Okay.